Hi everyone, my name is Jada and I'm from Cabinet Prep. This is a standing station. So what I want to improve is the shelf for standing. So this is already improved, but I noticed that I had to improve this more. Since this is the second lean, continuous improvement. So what I noticed about this is it's too high. Like I think it's 4 feet high and too many shelves that is not useful, like, and very unorganized. So what I was thinking is I only put the things that we really needed, like every day that we needed here in sanding station. Also, reason why I want to improve this is one time when I was sanding, I was here and one of the builder put his butt and then it fell down like the shelf. So it almost hit me and I think it's not safe because it is too high. Hi, this is Jada from Cabinet Prep. So this is my after video of my 2-second lean shelves in sanding station. So my improvement is I just put all the things that we everyday need when we're sanding, like the colors, sanding paper, and the wood filler on top because we use that every second or every minute. I don't know. And tape and all miscellaneous down here. And this is also adjustable. So on my before video, it will have a chance that might fail the shelf, but now that it's shorter, it won't fail. That's it. Thank you.